Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Today we are going to continue our lesson on plants, specifically to know parts of the plants. Today we are going to do the activity book, page 39 and 40. As we are doing this exercise, please get your activity book and turn to page 39. We are going to label two types of plants, which are frangipani plant and also ixora plant. Now we are going to do the exercise. Before we start to write, please read the instruction carefully. Name the characteristics of the following parts of plants. Maksudnya kita nak label, okay? Kita nak namakan karakter ataupun ciri-ciri bahagian pada tumbuh-tumbuhan. So this is actually very easy because we have done this several times before. Look at the first part of the plant. So this is where the plant look colorful. What is that? The flowers. Okay, please spell it carefully. Flowers. The second part. This is the part which make food for the plant. What is that? It starts with the letter L. So that must be the leaves. Leaves make food for the plants. So spell it correctly. Now comes to the third part of the plants. What is that? That is the part where it transport the food to all the parts of the plants. That is the function of a stem. So spell that correctly, S-T-E-M. The last part, okay, think of it. It is the part that absorb water for the plant. Okay, so that is the roots. Now, after you have labeled all the parts of the plants, we are going to fill in the blanks below. Frangipani and ixora plants have similar parts, which are Frangipani dan ixora mempunyai bahagian yang sama, iaitu, okay, so you write down all the parts to fill in the blanks. Now we move on to the next page, page 40. The topic, the title there is My Orchid Plant. Observe the orchid plant. Perhatikan pokok orchid. Complete the sentences below with the characteristics of this plant. Sana lengkapkan ayat dengan perkataan-perkataan yang betul. Okey, cikgu ada sediakan jawapan di sebelah yang berwarna. I have prepared that, so you can choose from there. First sentence. This is an plant. What plant is that? What is the name of the plant? Okay, so it is mentioned in the title and also in the instruction. Okay, there is one name for it. What is it? Is it hibiscus? Is it rose? Or is it orchid? Okay, so please write correctly. Now move on to the second sentence. This plant has what? Okay, so that is the first character on top of the parts of the plants. This is the colorful parts of the plant. So what are those? Yes, those are flowers. So please make sure you spell it correctly. Third sentence is this plant has blank. Blank maksudnya tempat kosong. Veins. Veins urat maksudnya. Urat apa? Okay, sudah semestinya lah urat daun, the leaves. Okay, so this plant has leaves with what type of veins? Is it netted or parallel? So this one you can observe the picture there. If it is straight, that means parallel. Kalau lurus je, maksudnya parallel, selari. Okay, kalau yang satu lagi banyak cabang, that is netted. So choose your answer. Next, the stem of the plant is batang. Pokok orchid adalah, so there are two type of stem that we have learned. The first one woody, berkayu, and then the second one is non-woody, tidak berkayu, maksudnya lembut dan kurang tekstur kayu lah di dalamnya. So actually an orchid plant has a non-woody stem. Last sentence, the type of root is, okay, kita lihat jenis akarnya. Okay, if the root has no taproot, has no one main root in it, tidak ada satu batang yang utama tumbuh macam tunjang pada akar tu, jadi ia akan dimasukkan ke dalam kategori yang satu lagi, which is fibrous root. Okay, so if we look at the root of the orchid plant, it has no main root there, no taproot. So if there is no taproot, it is characterized in the fibrous root type. There you go. I hope you can write correctly for today. That's all. Thank you very much. Goodbye, class.